Hey, welcome to another session on Windows 7. This time we are going to explore the new technology in Windows 7 and especially the encryption technology of Windows 7, the encryption technology called BitLocker, and this instance BitLocker To Go. What is BitLocker? BitLocker is an encryption technology that's developed by Microsoft. It's used to encrypt physical memory drives and removable devices. Okay, you can use it to encrypt your external hard drives, your USB drives, your flash drives, things like that you would normally plug into your computer. Which versions of Windows 7 support BitLocker? There are two versions of Windows 7 that support BitLocker. That's Windows 7 Ultimate and Windows 7 Enterprise. These two editions will support Windows 7, and the server edition of Windows that supports BitLocker is 2008 R2. Okay. You can still use BitLocker encrypted drives on older versions of Windows like Windows XP, but remember, you will not be able to initiate BitLocker encryption on these drives because that technology is not inbuilt into Windows XP. So you can only initiate this on Windows 7. When you encrypt a drive with BitLocker, what happens is BitLocker will automatically install a software called BitLocker To Go reader on the thumb drive. So when you plug in the drive into a Windows XP machine, the BitLocker To Go reader will enable you to read the files on older machines like Windows XP, things like that. So you will be still able to access the files there, but you will not be able to initiate encryption. Let's get started. Hey, welcome back. Okay, let's now begin by encrypting a removable device. I've just inserted a removable flash drive, or a pen drive as it's called, and I have some files on it that I want to keep safe, so I'm going to encrypt it now. So we'll click on the Start Op, click on Control Panel, click on System and Security, click on BitLocker Drive Encryption. So we are now on the page on the BitLocker Drive Encryption section of the control panel, and over there, down there, you should see the Kingston pen drive or the Kingston flash drive, and that's what we're going to encrypt. So you'll have this link right next to it called Turn on BitLocker. We'll click on that. Once you turn on BitLocker, you're going to get this screen, and this screen basically asks you how you're going to unlock this drive. When you want to use it, how are you going to unlock it? Because it'll be secure, it'll be encrypted. So you have either, you can use a smart card or you can use a password. We'll just make it simple. We'll use a password. So read the rules above and choose a suitable password. Okay, mine did not match, so I'm going to re-enter it again. Okay, so it's going to ask you to save a recovery key. Now this is in case you forget the password. So I'm just going to click on, you can either print it out or you can save it. I've already got one there. I'm just going to save this one there. Okay, so you have to store it into a location on your computer, into a folder somewhere. Okay, now click next and start encrypting. So this will take a little while and we'll wait for it to encrypt. Well, it's actually done, and you can see this lock icon over here that shows you that it's, oh no, it's not done yet, it's still beginning, it's still encrypting. So we'll wait for it to complete, and then I'll stop this video once it's done. Hey, welcome back. Looks like the encryption is now complete. This is what you see, and now let's have a look at the pen drive, the flash drive. Well, here it is. I'm just gonna take it out and put it back in. Okay, this is what you see. So So I just reinserted the flash drive, and this is what you will see. So you have to type out your password here. You can also check this option that says automatically unlock this computer from now on. Unlock on this computer from now on. So you can just type this just once. I'm not going to check that. I'm just going to click on unlock. So we go. There you go. So now you can access the encrypted file.